What is data science? With advancements in the fields of computer science and information technology, there is a massive rise in the data available online. To manipulate all that data and use it for the growth of the business involved, data science is in play in every major industry. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the updates on data science. Data science was coined in 2008, and since then it has grown into a multidisciplinary field with amazing career opportunities. You can be a data scientist, a data analyst, a data engineer, a statistician, and much more, with the fascinating salaries and with the chance to work on new ideas every day. Anexas is offering data science courses in basic, intermediate, and advanced levels, training you with tools, skills, and concepts of data science by expert trainers who train you in a fun live sessions with assignments and projects to prepare you for the big world of data science. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the updates on data science. To get all the updates on data science, visit our website. To join our course and to read our blogs. And if you are about to start your career, join our next free introductory data science workshop. All the details are in the video.